Hey, Shawnee from SpeechReview.com. I got the new YS3m 20 magnet core. Let's check it out. So initially when I got this puzzle, the first iteration of it, it was fine. I didn't find anything super crazy about it, but it really grew on me. So initially when it came in, I felt like it performed okay. It was a little more stable than the WRM, but a little more flexible than the RS3, or the version of the RS3 at the time. The RS3 has gotten a little bit more flexible since then. Oh, this is, come on, open. Package is always hard to open at first because they've got the plastic around the puzzle, and it's really made for, there we go. It's really made for just the puzzle and not the plastic around it. But yeah, the puzzle really grew on me. I ended up using this as the one that I gifted to a former student. So this one has the UV coating. You can see how shiny that is right now. This feels smaller. I don't think it is, though. It's just a 20 magnet core. Maybe I've been using some 56mm puzzles. No lubrication right now, so it is insanely fast. Definitely need to slow that down, add some compression. But let's look at that core. So they don't even use a red core. It is just primary. I wonder if they're changing that for everything. But you can see where the magnets are inside of there, which is nice. Maybe that, either that's why they're changing it or they're just cost cutting at the moment. But actually I kind of like that. We can just see where they are. You can more clearly see all the magnets and not just relying on color. Let me know what you think, if you'd rather have a specific color or you'd rather be able to see them. Same sort of tension settings. But yeah, very loose right now. So loose, that's way too much for me. I'm going to tighten this up, do some solves, check it out. Let me just see actually before I do anything else. So not crazy auto alignment. But feels fairly high magnetic pull on that. But yeah, I really do like this one as far as can suit almost everyone. There's not a lot of situations where, there we go. There's not a lot of situations where I feel like someone would get this and be like, oh, this is the worst puzzle. It's kind of a middle of the road, which if somebody really likes ultra flexible ones or really small ones, or they like the feeling of a GAN, or they like the feeling of the RS3 2020, they might not like this one as much because, it's a little more neutral. And when I say that, I also just mean the pieces aren't as rounded as the WRM, but they're not completely flat. Okay, that's definitely a lot tighter, maybe almost too tight, but I'm going to leave it for right now. Also, it is maglev. Let's tighten the core up a bit. So let's go, oh, nope. Which way do I have to turn again? Is it left? Yeah, let's do 5. There we go. Yeah, okay. I need to add lubrication. This is going very poorly. I'm just going to add a lot of solar right now. Solar is not a super thick lubricant, but I like a lot of a thinner lube at times. Depends on the puzzle. If it has a unique feeling, then I definitely will just use a bit of Cosmos. So that way I still keep some of that unique feeling. So that's it, the YS3 20 magnet core, upgraded version of it. It's a nice puzzle. If you are new to the cubing game and you don't know what to get and you have some money to spare, so you don't need to get the absolute budget one, It's a nice one to get. Can't really go wrong. Thank you, MoYu, for sending this over. Hit like, subscribe for more content like this in the future, and as always, keep following SpeedCube Review for more news and reviews.